Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Really quickly, I wanted to make this tutorial video on how to apply for student loan forgiveness. So if you have any student loan debt, this video is for you. You could be eligible for student loan forgiveness. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how that works. Firstly, I wanted to go through who is eligible to do this, and yeah, then I'll get into the tutorial. Before, I want to thank our sponsor, Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is another way for you to make money by filling out surveys and putting in a little bit of work. And it's not free money, but you do got to fill out some surveys. I do have a link below. It's really easy to fill the surveys out, and it does help us out when you do fill those out, because we get a commission when people sign up and download the app. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial, okay? Okay, so by the way, this is who, so President Biden announced in August that his administration is canceling up to $20,000 in student loan debt for millions of Americans. To be eligible, borrowers who received Pell Grants, aid for eligible low and middle income families get as much as $20,000 in debt forgiven, while other borrowers can get relief of up to $10,000 if you were not a Pell Grant receiver. So only individuals who earn less than $125,000 in 2020 or 2021. So if you made over $125,000, so you made $125,000 or more, then you will not be eligible. Married couples with a total combined annual income of $250,000 in 2020 or 2021 are eligible. Now, this is the website. So all you want to do, you can do this with me right now, is go to studentaid.gov/debt-relief/application. Application is open, but the debt discharge is paused. So you guys might have heard that it's temporarily on pause. Now, you can still fill it out. You can still fill this out, and if it isn't on pause anymore, I would probably, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would probably say best bet is to fill this out ASAP, because if it gets unpaused and then your application goes through, you might be one of the first ones to get it. So what is Federal Student Loan Debt Relief? It's a program that provides eligible borrowers with full or partial discharge of loans up to 20 grand to federal Pell Grant recipients and $10,000 to non-Pell Grant recipients, which I don't really understand, but yeah. I mean, I do understand what the federal Pell Grant is, but I don't know why it's different for each person. In my opinion, they should just make it the same for everybody, but regardless, that's what liberals want. They want people who make less to get more. Individuals who who qualifies? If you made less than $125,000 in 2021 or 2020, or if you're a family that made less than $250K in 2021 or 2020. So if you filed federal taxes, your income requirements are based on your adjusted gross income, which tends to be lower than your total income. Yeah. So with that being said, like let's say you're an Uber driver and you made $150,000 and you did all these other things. But if you have expenses, they're gonna count the number of your profit, I guess. So this is really important for self-employed people, contract workers who make a lot of money but have expenses. They're not taking your total amount, they're taking your profit amount. So you should be good if you profited less than $125,000. Again, I'm not an accountant or a certified public accountant or a financial advisor, but that's just how I'm understanding it myself. I do have an accountant who I talk to quite a bit, and they explain these things to me, so I'm kind of I got a little more knowledge now because I talk to an accountant pretty often. So apply today, but no later than December 31st, 2023. So wow, so you can do it all the way up until next year. So you got about a year to do this, but it's pretty simple. Fill out your name, first name, middle initial, last name, former last name, social security number, confirm your social security number, month, day, year, phone number, email, confirmation email, and that's about it. You are agreeing, though, by the way, that the information on the form is correct. So that's literally all you have to do. But if you have to make sure, you fit one of these categories. I request federal student loan debt relief of up to $20,000. If requested, I will provide proof of income to the U.S. Department of Education. I understand that if I fail to do so by March 31st, 2024, or if my income does not qualify for federal student loan debt relief, the relief will not be processed. 2, I verify that I am the individual named above, where you type that in there. 3, I affirm that one of the following is true for 2020 to 2021. Basically, yeah, from the beginning of 2020 to the end of 2021, so about 2 years. I made less than the required income to file federal taxes. So if you didn't file taxes, you made less than the required income. I don't know what that is. I believe it's like a couple grand. I should look that up really quick. So it looks like according to H&R Block, single filing status is 12,000. So if 12,550 under the age of 65, 14,250 if age 65 or older. So if you didn't, and married is basically the same thing times 2. Oh, I don't know. It gets a little tricky, but yeah, you can read more about it on H&R Block. Just type in, this stuff. Or number 2, I filed as a single tax filer and made less than 125K. I was married, filed my taxes separately and made less than 125K. I was married, filed my taxes jointly and made less than 250K. I filed as head of household and made less than 250K. I filed as a qualifying widower and made less than 250K. If you filed federal taxes, your income requirements are based on your AGI, which tends to be lower than your total income. Your AGI can be found on line 11 of the IRS Form 1040. So on your tax returns that you got back, you will see that on line 11. Yeah, that's literally about it. It's a really, really short application. They're making it really easy for anybody to fill this out. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And again, you can sign up for Survey Junkie. You can take surveys and get paid, and you share your opinion to make money. You can get PayPal gift cards or PayPal money or money straight to your bank account. And yeah, use our link below, and it does help us out tremendously when you do sign up for Survey Junkie. And yeah, they have a lot of really cool ways to make money, get Amazon gift cards, PayPal money in your bank, etc. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon, and God bless. You guys are amazing. Bye now.